Welcome to Crazy Weird YouTube channel. The evolution of robots and AI. From myth to modern marvels. The history of robots stretches back thousands of years. Evolving from the realms of mythology and imagination to become a significant aspect of modern technology. Here's a brief overview of key developments and inventors in the history of robotics. Ancient mythology and automata. The concept of artificial beings can be traced back to ancient myths and legends from various cultures. Stories of mechanical beings, such as Talos in Greek mythology or the golems in Jewish folklore, reflect early human fascination with creating artificial life. Early mechanical automata. In ancient Greece, inventors like Hero of Alexandria first century AD created mechanical devices. Such as the Aeolipile, a steam-powered device. And automatons, like the Theater of Automata. Featuring moving figures. Powered by water. Medieval age, mechanical engineering and automata. During the medieval age, inventors continued to explore automata and mechanical devices. One notable figure from this period is Al-Jazari. An influential inventor and engineer. Al-Jazari was a polymath known for his contributions to mechanical engineering and automata. His most famous work is The Book of Knowledge of Ingenious Mechanical Devices. Published in 1206. This book describes various mechanical devices, including clocks, pumps, fountains, and automata. Industrial Revolution and Automata. The 18th and 19th centuries saw significant advancements in mechanical engineering during the Industrial Revolution. Jacques de Vaucanson, 18th century, created elaborate mechanical automata like the digesting duck, which simulated digestion. Early robotics concepts. The term robot originates from the Czech word robota. Meaning forced labor. It was popularized by Karel Čapek in his 1920 play R.U.R., Rossum's Universal Robots. Where he introduced artificial beings called robots. George Devol and Joseph Engelberger. Often credited with creating the first industrial robot, George Devol invented the Unimate in the late 1950s, a robotic arm designed for General Motors. Joseph Engelberger collaborated with Devil and played a crucial role in popularizing industrial robotics. Shaky the robot. Developed in the late 1960s at the Stanford Research Institute, now SRI International, Shaky was one of the earliest mobile robots with the ability to perceive its surroundings and make decisions based on that information. Modern robotics. The late 20th and early 21st centuries saw rapid advancements in robotics technology. Companies like Honda, with Asimo, and Boston Dynamics have pushed the boundaries of what robots can do. Creating humanoid and animal-like robots capable of remarkable feats of agility and intelligence. Personal robotics. Inventors and companies have also focused on personal and service robotics, creating robots for tasks like vacuuming, iRobot's Roomba, companionship, Pero the Seal robot, and healthcare assistance. AI and robotics integration. With advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, robots are becoming increasingly autonomous and capable of learning from their environments. This integration has led to developments in fields like autonomous vehicles, robotic surgery, and smart manufacturing. Future trends. The future of robotics is likely to involve further integration with AI, bio-inspired design, and advancements in materials science and miniaturization. Robots are expected to play increasingly important roles in various aspects of society, from healthcare and elder care to space exploration and beyond. These are just a few highlights in the vast and rich history of robotics and its inventors. a field that continues to evolve and shape the world around us. To learn more crazy, weird facts,